important thing to understand about the brain is that there's an inverse relationship between thinking and sensing the present moment. So if you want to quiet your mind, you don't do that by trying to quiet your mind or trying to quiet your thoughts or something like that. That'll just lead to more thoughts. If you want to quiet your mind, what you do is you shift your attention to paying attention to something in the present moment. This could be a delicious meal that you're eating and you're really tasting all the tastes that are there with it. Or it could be listening to a loved one. Or it could be really sensing your body naturally breathing and noticing your belly rising and falling. Or it can be if you're outside and listening to the birds around you, or actually looking around as if you're seeing your environment for the very first time. As you come to your senses and you do this with sincerity and practice and repetition, the activity in the part of the brain where your mind is loud is going to begin to come down. This is going to take a little practice, so feel into it, have some patience with it, intention and practice and repetition with coming to your senses, and your mind will begin to settle.